The question is, draw the free body diagram for the following charges as shown in the figure A, B, C. See here, three diagrams are given A, B, C, and we have to draw the free body diagram for each one. First, let us do it for figure A. Here, a body of mass m is placed on a platform. So, the weight mg will act downwards, and the normal force, since it is supported on this platform, the support force, that is the normal, will be upwards. And this is a charged particle, so it experiences force in this direction, that is magnitude q into E. So again here it is connected to a spring. You can see a spring here. So the magnitude of the spring force is equal to minus, it is in the negative direction, so it is minus kx, where k is the spring constant and x is the amount of stretch or compression. Okay, so let us draw the free body diagram first. Here weight mg acts downwards and the normal force will be upwards. We will be balancing the weight on the platform, so it is the normal force. And see, it's a charged mass, and the force experienced by the charged mass is given by q into, it is capital Q, the charge is q into E, and again it is connected to a spring in the negative direction, and the spring force is given by minus kx. So this is the free body diagram for this figure A. Now let us draw the free body diagram for the next one, B. So here a charged particle Q, it is there, it is placed in an electric field. See the tension here, the weight will act downwards. Here you can see the weight of the charged particle will be downwards. It is connected to a string, and the tension force will be along the string, and the force on the charge is in this direction. It's positive, it is attracted towards the negative side. So we'll draw the free body diagram. So the weight acts downwards. So it's given by mg, and tension is along the, tension force is along the string, and the force on the charge, the magnitude of the charge is q, and the electric field is E. So this is the free body diagram for figure B. Now we'll see for the next one. This is C. Here a charged particle is placed in an electric field. It is a negative charge particle, and the weight act, the mass act downwards, and since it is negative, it will be accelerated towards the positive side. So it will be like this. So magnitude is q into E. So the free body diagram is, this is figure B, A, B, and figure C. So weight mg acts downwards, and the upward one is the force on the charge, that is equal to q into E. E is the electric field. So now you see the free body diagram for A, B, and C. That's all.